In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail in Outlook. First, let's start by opening Outlook. You will see the familiar interface of Outlook, filled with your emails, calendar, and tasks. This is where you manage your communications and stay organized. Make sure you are using the latest version of Outlook for the best experience. If you have not opened it in a while, you might notice some updates. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the integration with Gmail. Once Outlook is open, look for the profile icon. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of the window. It might represent your account picture or initials. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to accessing your account settings. This little action helps streamline your experience by allowing you to locate and manage the accounts linked to Outlook. Now, after selecting the profile icon, navigate to the settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This gear icon is typically found in the same drop-down menu as your profile. Tapping on it will take you to a menu filled with options to customize your Outlook experience. It is important to get to the settings because this is where you can manage your email accounts and configure how they work together. From there, look for the option labeled Accounts. This section is where you can see all the accounts you currently have linked with Outlook. Clicking on Accounts gives you a clear overview of your email management. It allows you to add new accounts, modify existing ones, or remove those you no longer need. Next up, click on Add Account. This action will prompt Outlook to begin the process of integrating a new email account. It is a straightforward step that opens the door to adding your Gmail account. This is an essential step because adding your Gmail to Outlook will help consolidate your email management into one platform. You will now be prompted to enter your Gmail address. This is where you type in the full email address you use for Gmail. Make sure to check for any typos before moving on. This step is significant because it ensures Outlook knows exactly which account to connect to. A simple error here can cause delays in accessing your emails. After entering your Gmail address, click on Connect. This action initiates the process of linking your Gmail account with Outlook. You will see a loading animation or a confirmation that Outlook is working on connecting your account. This step is crucial as it sets everything in motion for the integration. Now you will need to sign into your Google account. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your Google password. This is a vital security measure to ensure that only you can access your Gmail through Outlook. Enter your credentials carefully, as this keeps your information secure. Once you have signed in, you will be asked to click Allow. This step is important because it grants Outlook permission to access your Gmail account. You may see a list of permissions that Outlook requires. Reading through these can reassure you about how your data will be used. This is a standard procedure that helps maintain the security of your information. Lastly, click Done. This action finalizes the setup process. You should receive a confirmation that your Gmail has been successfully added to Outlook. Seeing this confirmation is reassuring, as it indicates that you can now manage your Gmail messages directly from Outlook. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled Gmail in Outlook, making it easier to manage your emails in one place.